What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Asana and ClickUp. Asana and ClickUp are leading project management tools designed to enhance team productivity. Asana is known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward task management, making it ideal for small teams. In contrast, ClickUp offers extensive customization and a wide range of features, catering to diverse workflows and larger teams. Choosing between them depends on your team's specific needs and project complexities. Now, let's talk about their top features. Let's start with Asana. Comprehensive project management. Asana provides a robust project management framework that enables teams to track work from inception to completion. Users can visualize tasks through various formats like lists, timelines, and Kanban boards, ensuring everyone stays aligned and on schedule. This organized approach promotes transparency and accountability, allowing teams to prioritize effectively and manage complex projects with ease. Goal alignment and reporting. Asana helps connect team activities to overarching company objectives, facilitating goal alignment across departments. With real-time reporting dashboards, teams can visualize progress and make informed decisions. This feature enhances collaboration by ensuring that everyone is aware of priorities and can adjust their efforts based on real-time data, ultimately driving better results. AI-powered efficiency. Asana incorporates AI to optimize workflows and reduce manual tasks. This technology assists users in streamlining processes by automating repetitive actions, allowing teams to focus on high-impact work. As a result, productivity increases as teams can allocate their time and resources more effectively, adapting to changing needs without getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Workflow automation. With Asana's workflow automation capabilities, users can create custom processes that minimize repetitive tasks and enhance efficiency. By setting up automated triggers for actions like task assignments or status updates, teams save valuable time and reduce the risk of errors. This feature allows for smoother operations and ensures that work progresses seamlessly without constant manual intervention. Enhanced security features. Asana prioritizes security with robust admin features designed to protect sensitive information. Administrators can manage user permissions, monitor activity logs, and enforce security protocols across the organization. This level of control ensures that teams can collaborate confidently while maintaining the integrity of their data, making Asana a reliable choice for businesses concerned about security. On the other hand, ClickUp's AI capabilities enhance productivity by automating routine tasks and providing contextual insights. Users can interact with the AI to generate summaries, automate updates, and quickly access information, significantly reducing manual effort and streamlining workflows for improved efficiency. View work your way. ClickUp offers multiple task display options, including lists, boards, timelines, and Gantt charts. This flexibility allows teams to visualize their projects in a way that best suits their workflow, enhancing clarity and organization while accommodating diverse working styles. Customize in a click. Customization is a key feature of ClickUp, enabling users to tailor their workspace effortlessly. Teams can create custom fields, statuses, and views to align the platform with their specific needs, ensuring that the tool adapts to their unique project requirements. Search everything. ClickUp's powerful search functionality allows users to find information quickly across tasks, documents, and team communications. This feature minimizes time spent searching for data, enabling teams to stay focused on their work and make informed decisions without delay. Plays well with others. ClickUp integrates seamlessly with over 1,000 other tools, enhancing collaboration across platforms. This compatibility ensures that teams can maintain their existing workflows while leveraging ClickUp's robust features, fostering a cohesive work environment that boosts overall productivity. Now, let's talk about some of their drawbacks. Let's start with Asana. Asana's pricing model can be confusing with multiple tiers and hidden costs that may catch users off guard. While the free plan is accessible, many essential features require upgrading to paid plans, which can lead to unexpected expenses as teams grow. This complexity can deter potential users who seek straightforward pricing options. Although Asana offers various features, its customization capabilities are somewhat limited compared to other project management tools. Users may find it challenging to tailor workflows and dashboards to their specific needs without advanced features available only in higher-tier plans. This restriction can hinder teams that require more flexibility in their project management process. Asana's extensive feature set can present a steep learning curve for new users. While the interface is generally intuitive, mastering all functionalities such as task dependencies and advanced reporting may take time. This initial investment in learning can slow down teams eager to implement the tool effectively, potentially impacting productivity during the transition period. On the other hand, ClickUp's extensive features and customization options can lead to a steeper learning curve for new users. While powerful, the complexity may overwhelm teams unfamiliar with project management tools, potentially hindering initial adoption and requiring additional training time. Overwhelming interface. The abundance of features in ClickUp can result in an overwhelming interface, especially for smaller teams or simpler projects. Users may find it challenging to navigate through numerous options, which can detract from the overall user experience and efficiency. Performance issues. Some users report occasional performance issues such as lagging or slow load times, particularly when managing large projects with numerous tasks. These technical challenges can disrupt workflow and affect productivity, prompting teams to seek more responsive alternatives. In conclusion, choosing between Asana and ClickUp ultimately depends on your team's specific needs. Asana excels in simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for smaller teams. In contrast, ClickUp offers extensive customization and features suited for larger, more complex projects. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.